Hello everyone and welcome to your Replica tutorials. Today we are going to see how to create a Borea Connet account. Let's go! To connect to Borea Connet, you have several ways to do so. By typing in your search bar borea-connect.com, be careful not to put the 3W before. By going to the Borea website www.borea-dental.com and clicking on the button at the top right of your screen, or by going to your Replica Vision software and clicking on the Access Borea Connet button. When you access Borea Connet for the first time, you will see a column on the left where you will fill in your information to create your account and a map on the right. This map gives you access to the entire Replica community, with the red dot showing the dental technicians and the blue dot showing the dentist equipped with the solution. For confidentiality reasons, you will not have access to their names on this page. At the top of this map, you have the possibility to change the language of the page and to access the different social media on which Borea is present. Let's see how to register on this platform. First of all, select your profession and then fill in the name of your company. Then you will have to write your email address, which will be linked to this account, and choose a password which has at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 special character written in the black box. You can also fill in additional information such as your phone number or mailing address. After completing everything, check the 2 boxes and click on the Create an Account button. You will receive a confirmation message on the email address you entered above. You will need to access it to click on the account registration confirmation link. Click on Confirm my email address. As soon as you've done this, all you have to do is to go back to the Borea Connet platform and enter your account information. Then click on the Login button. That's it! You're registered on the Borea Connet platform. You can now send your Replica orders forms to your dental technician or receive your order forms if you are a laboratory. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you soon for new tutorials.